welcome back to another day, and we are opening this LG
portable speaker. Yes,
and you can
I ordered this from
Best Buy online.
Yes, I ordered it online. It was on sale for $50, and I bought it to replace my XBOOM 2 speaker, which I actually haven't had long. Only had it for a couple months, but even though I just bought it, I got it from Target for $35, which was this. It was it's a good speaker, but it is old, which is probably why it was on clearance at Target.
Yeah, and you can see by the packaging, it's waterproof.
Yes, this one is waterproof, but I believe, actually I don't think this one's that waterproof. But I got this to replace the one that's aging, and like I said, this was $50. So we're going to check it out and see how it sounds, right?
Yeah, and maybe Mommy and I can bring it to the next vacation we have so we can listen to music in the pool.
Yep. We got instructions.
Ooh, we got instructions. My favorite.
And right inside we have the speaker.
Of course you need the speaker, and if it says there's a speaker.
So this is the PK3 with Meridian technology.
Wait, why is there two instructions?
Maybe different languages. Which there you can see it.
Here's the first instruction.
It's
little booklets.
It's got the radiators on the side for the bass and the two main speakers and a whole bunch of buttons on top.
A whole bunch.
It's even got a place where you can attach a strap if you'd want to. So there's like a size comparison.
Yeah.
They're about the same length, but this one's a little bigger.
Yeah, and we got the cord.
That's the charging cord.
Yeah.
See if it's got power. It does.
Yeah.
It just started up, and we're going to try to pair it with our tablet here to see if we can check out how it sounds, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, so it looks like we have it paired. Which actually have both the speakers paired. So we're going to see how they sound, right? You want to play a little tune?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Hopefully it sounds good.
Yeah.
It looks like the enhanced bass is automatically turned on. Play. This is playing now. So it's got some pretty good sound.
Yeah.
We'll compare it to this one. Let's see if I can get it to switch and play this speaker. Let's see here. You like how that sounds?
Huh?
You like how it sounds?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't like the music, but...
You didn't like the music?
No.
Oh, well.
But I like the speaker.
All right, now let's give this one a listen.
And a reminder, you cannot dunk this in, you can only splash it. This one you can fully dunk. Sounds like Pac-Man song.
Yeah, it sounds like a video game type of song. So, I know that this one gets extremely loud. Like, you can crank it really loud. I'm not certain how loud this one will get, but just from that short listen, this one definitely sounds better and has a little bit more bass.
Yeah.
Definitely sounds better though, so.
And a reminder, you can only splash this with water, not dunk it. This one you can dunk.
That's right.
Yeah.
So the sound on it seems to be pretty good. It seems like it was worth the $49.99 that was paid, but we'll have to give it more of a listen and really dig into it. That's going to be our quick look at the PK3 from LG, and we're going to listen to them some more, and hopefully we'll like them and, you know, jam out to them sometimes, all that good stuff, right?
And keep them.
Yeah.
And comment down below which one was your favorite.
Yeah, you can do that. And let us know if you have one and what you think of them.
I think that one would be good.
Yeah. All right, so don't forget, leave a comment, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, all that good stuff.
If you want us to make a video or something.
That's right. Until next time, come back, check us out. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Peace out.